everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys what happens if you delete BlockBlast until you try this fix. Before deleting the app, there is a final trick to fix persistent issue. First of all, make sure your account is fully linked to BlockBlast ID, Gameplay or Google Play or Game Center. Then swipe up from the bottom of the screen, find BlockBlast, close the app and then reopen the app. Restart your phone and clear cache or offload the app. To offload the app, go to settings and then go to general and then iPhone storage, scroll down, find BlockBlast and then offload the app. This will free up storage used by the app, but it keeps documents and data. Reinstalling the app will place back your data if the app is still available for download. Then try the optimized performance settings we just covered. Only if the app still fails you should try uninstall and reinstall with your account link. Progress will return safely. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.